Liberty Accounts offers enhanced security login using two-factor authentication. Without the option set, you can log directly in using your username and password to your organizational account. But the security of your data is important to us, and we offer you the optional enhanced security login. From your user profile, select Login Security. Before proceeding further, you'll be asked to confirm your existing password. With that password entered, you can now select to use Enhanced Login Security. That security is two-factor authentication using one-time passcodes. Using an Authenticator app on your mobile device, scan the QR code and enter the passcode. You'll now receive confirmation that the device has been successfully registered, and you simply click OK to continue and open your organizational record. If we log out and see what will happen next time we log in, so again we'll use our username and password, but immediately we're challenged for the one-time passcode. Open your Authenticator app and enter the number provided, and you're now operating within your organizational record. Should you need to change anything, then again go back to your user profile and login security. You're asked to confirm your password, and then you can switch off the login security. Perhaps you've changed phones and you need to register for another phone. Whilst we've looked at this from an individual point of view, an organization can set their own security policy. From Control Security Policy, they can mandate users with access to their records must use the enhanced security login. You're then able to provide Liberty Account support staff with permission of access, which will allow us to reference your data when responding to your support queries. From the control menu Security and Events, you can see between date ranges, events that have happened, and they can be filtered further by event type and/or username. For those with the appropriate access level, then under Manage Users, you can deregister an existing device. Once deregistered, the user can then re-register with any new device. Please contact us for any further information on this or any other features of Liberty Accounts.